Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing frames and fixes that match your wall and load. Use adhesive strips for lightweight items, select removable hooks or picture-hanging strips rated for the weight. Clean the surface with isopropyl alcohol so adhesives bond. Do not use household cleaners that leave residue. Measure and mark where each picture will sit and use a level to align marks. Once done, press a test strip to check adhesion and read the weight rating so you don't exceed limits. You now attach the adhesive to the frame and wall, and this is where precision matters. Peel backing and press firmly for the recommended time. Many strips require 30 seconds of pressure to activate the bond. Use 2 strips on opposite sides to distribute weight and stagger points for larger frames to prevent rotation. For textured or painted walls, opt for hooks with broader bases or gel pads. These conform to surfaces better. Make sure to follow curing times before hanging to ensure a strong hold. You finish by letting adhesives cure for the manufacturer's specified time. This can be 1 hour or up to 24 hours, so the bond reaches full strength. Once cured, hang each piece and recheck level. Small shifts are normal, so adjust gently. If an item slips, remove it, replace the strips, and wait the full cure period before rehanging. If you see paint lift or residue, use museum gel for added grip and follow adhesive removal instructions to minimize wall damage. This prevents repeat problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.